Hi guys and welcome to my channel. This is going to be a video for this look, which is entirely Primark. All Primark makeup. So if you want to see how I achieved this, please keep watching. I'm going to start with my hydrating mist. I'm just going to spray this all over my face. Foundation I'm going to use is the My Perfect Colour Longwear Ultimate Matte Foundation, double coverage, matte finish and oil free in the shade Toffee. I'm going to take a Real Techniques foundation brush and then just pour it straight on the brush and apply that all over my face. I know this foundation was hyped up by a lot of people, like a lot of people said it was amazing. And it is good, it is full coverage, but it isn't that good. This is really good for an everyday foundation because it's only £5. I think a lot of people are either scared to try it because like, it's Primark and it's cheap, or like they're a bit snobby, too snobby to buy it. But for an everyday foundation, if you wear foundation every day, it gets expensive, so it's good. Then to contour, I'm going to take the My Perfect Colour Moisturising Foundation Stick. I've never actually used any of the concealer contour palettes before. I thought this looked like a good colour to contour with, so I'll just use this. I know the foundation. I've got the My Perfect Colour Moisturising Foundation Stick in Toffee as well. That's really good. That's really full coverage as well as the liquid one. And you really don't need a lot of this. And then I'm going to take the same brush and just blend that out. Then I'm going to take this Real Techniques brush. I don't know what it is because the writing's come off of it, so this one. With the same foundation stick. And I'm just going to use this to contour my nose. So I just draw a line down either side and then blend it downwards. And then underneath. And a bit of monkey with both. And then I'm going to take another moisturising foundation stick in the colour Nude Beige, and I'm going to use that to highlight. And with the same brush again. I'm going to set under my eyes with the My Perfect Colour Mineral Powder. This one. And I'm going to take my Real Techniques pointed foundation brush to apply the powder. I'm going to cheat with my eyebrows a little bit as I forgot to get a product from Primark, so I'm just going to use what I've already got, but I'm going to do a separate tutorial for a whole separate video for my eyebrows another time. So I'm just going to fill them in a bit. My camera stopped recording when I was doing my eyebrows, but that's okay because I do a whole new video. So now I'm going to take this palette, the Bronze Shade and Shimmer eyeshadow palette. This one. And it's coconut fragranced. Actually smells pretty good. Don't usually sniff my eyeshadows, but it's fragrance, so I'm allowed. I have had a play with this before, so I sort of know what to expect. So I'm going to take this colour and I've tried using the lightest colour in here before this one. It was like a transition shade, but it didn't do anything, didn't even show up. It was rubbish, so I'm just going in with this pinky salmony colour, and I'm just gonna apply this to the crease. And pull it outwards a little bit. It isn't very pigmented, but you can build it up. I'm actually going to zoom in a little bit to do my eyes. Oh yeah, I'm using the Zoeva 228 Luxe Crease brush for this. It's so fluffy. And I'm going to do that on the other eye. Looks a bit crap. I'm going to take this colour and I'm actually going to use the brush out of my Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette, this one, the double-ended one, and I'm going to take the fluffy side because I love this brush. I'm just going to put this in this corner just to darken that up a little bit. I'm really winging this, I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, I think I'm actually going to take this orange shade and just go like over my crease with this. Okay, I'm going to go in with this metallic eye cream from the Nudes collection. And this is in the shade Daydream. And then I'm not going to be too precise with this. I'm not going to do like a cut crease or anything, but... So I'm going to take a little concealer brush. And I'm just gonna slap that on there. And then I'm gonna take this brush again and then just sort of like blend the eyeshadow into it. And the same on the other eye. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna take a small brush. This is the Zoeva 237 Detail Shader. And then the Pure Glow Highlighter. And this is called a Brunch Club, this one. And I'm just going to highlight my brow bone with that. Should have done this before my eyebrows, but I forget. Okay, I'm going to go under my eye now with... I'm going to take this fluffy brush again with that orange shade. I'm really having to layer this. I feel like it brushes off. Okay, I'm going to make this a little bit more sparkly, and I'm going to use the Glitter Junkie face glue. And I'm going to apply this in the corner. I don't know if you meant to use this on eyes, so... I'm going to, obviously. And then I've got this Glitter Junkie loose glitter. I don't know what colour it is. Well, white obviously, but... And then I'm just going to pick some of it up with this little brush again and pat that on. This actually smells like really weak, like watered down nail glue, so this is making me a little bit nervous. This may be my first and last tutorial if this makes me blind. I literally haven't used liquid eyeliner in years and I'm about to do it. I'm not sure how it's going to go. This might be such a mess. I don't know if I'm even going to do like a wing on this look. I might just... Shall I or not? I don't think I'm going to. I'm going to take the Lash Contour 3D Curl Lengthening Mega Volume Mascara. I'm actually running out of this. I'm going to use a different mascara to do my bottom lashes because I'm really running out and it looks crap. I'm going to apply some lashes. These are the ones, they are from Primark. They're in the gold box. You get the silver ones and the gold ones. They're £5 and these are the new New York ones. You get like Dubai, London, New York, maybe Milan. So I'm just going to apply these. I'm not going to do it on camera because you don't really need to see me apply lashes, but that's what they are. And I'll be back in 2 seconds. Okay, that is the eyes finished with lashes on. To highlight, I'm going to use the Bronze Highlight Loose Highlighter in Vacation. This one. And then I'm going to take a fan brush. And this is quite messy. I'm going to pick up some on my brush and then tap it off. because you get loads, literally. And I'm going to apply that to my cheekbones. I'm going to apply that to my nose as well. And maybe a bit on my head as well. Go for it. And then for lips, I'm literally just going to take the My Perfect Nude and Nourishing Lip Gloss. It's just a clear gloss, but I love it. And that is the finished look. I'm actually liking it, considering it's all Primark. I think it looks like a. Let me know what you think. And please like and subscribe. This is my first video, so some feedback would be nice as well. And yeah, thank you.